All right, we have just been busy making gifts for people. This is a Harry Potter's fan, so she likes Hogwarts and all things Harry Potter. So I made her a wand made out of plastic and wood dowels and string beads and anything else I could get my hands on. So I think it turned out pretty neat. So I made some little hooks for it to sit on. Here's the back of it. Little kickstand for it. Simple. Sits there just like that. And it's going to hold her cell phone for her. She can either lay it down or stand it up. Simple. And then this other friend of mine, she's really into skulls and all things Halloween. So I made her this little cell phone holder. Stand it up, lay it to the side. Found the skull kit at Party City. It was only $1. So he comes with a little off-on switch in the back. Turn it off. And then he has a momentary switch. Ta-da! And so same thing, my basic wall mounted shelf covered with foil tape that was embossed. Put some pearls around it, put her name on it. And I think she'll like it. And let me turn it back on. There we go. It's got a little cell phone battery, little cell batteries in it. This should last her a while. So I think she'll like that. I use copper foil on this skull. And on these skulls, I use just regular silver tape. One was embossed, the other one was not. Just kind of like a Frankenstein look. And then here's some bottles that I'm working on. Still adding little things to them. They turned out pretty neat. So, this is the other one. I took one of my cheap tiaras that I bought from Dollar Tree. Tried to soften it up with a heat gun. Kind of overheated it, but hey, we're practicing, And then my glue gun, the glue sticks are yellow. So when the glue gets hard again, it's like got a yellow tint to it, which I don't really like. But we're practicing. So I went out and bought some clear glue sticks. Imagine that. So my next project, everything should be clear. Shouldn't have that yellow tint behind the little do-I-ditties that I glued on here. So like I say, practice makes perfect, and perfect does not exist. You just do it and make it better. So, like I said, this was part of a pumpkin kit for put the skull and some bones and things onto a pumpkin if you carve it. So I'll show you a picture of that kit later. But like I said, this is one of my bottles, my Jack Daniel bottles. And I'm just kind of gluing and taping it and gluing and taping it to see how different things look together in different combinations. I mean, nothing serious, just, empty whiskey bottle with some plastic and glue and tape on it. And I think my next one would be better because I've learned how to melt the tiaras without melting them too bad. And then they'll fit a little bit closer than my glue. I use way too much glue because I got excited. So, it's practice. So I think it's still cute, And like I say, you can put anything you want to up there. And this will make another gift, just doing things and giving them away so they don't start, piling up in my house. And this is my other, that's like a vinegar oil bottle that I covered in foil. And of course, we've got Walter here. He's my favorite so far. He's an Amsterdam vodka bottle that I've just kind of pull out all the stops, gluing and taping different types of foil that was embossed in different folders that I have, and my little trinkets that come from Amazon. They come in a bag. And then you got your chain, that you can buy in bulk, and then you got your bag of beads. You can buy different colors and things, and more Dollar Tree beads. And here's some lights that I'm going to mount on my other wizard wand that I'm working on. It's going to have lights, beads, and some wire. This is part of the kit that came with the skulls. So I'll show you a picture of that when I'm done playing with it. And hope everyone's having a good holiday. Today is Christmas. I'm at work making a little cheese, a little overtime. And this is one of my personal cell phone holders, House of Robinson. Added some beads to it, may add some more things. Just, adding stuff. I don't think you can ever add too much. And like I say, you just experiment and have fun with what you're doing. I think you're going to like that wand. The next one I built is going to be able to light up. And then my son, when he was little, he got a Lord of the Rings sword that when you turn on this, you move it around, it makes like a sword noise. Really cool. I think about incorporating something like that into my next wand. But just different things to stay busy. And like I said, I hope everyone's having a good holiday. Here's this other project that I'm working on. I added lights to this frame, and I'll show you how it works a little bit later. But I got stuff everywhere. These color strips around it, so I'll show you how that works a little bit later. Anyway, that's all for now.